Alright, the third question in 5A that I want to talk about and work on is number 10. Really straightforward question, nothing too tricky about it. I just want to make sure I do a question like this just in case you don't know how to use a calculator and calculate the least square regression line. You really need to, so I definitely want to do at least one question that works with a calculator to solve it. So luckily for us, they give us a table. They tell us which one is in the x-axis and which one is in the y. And so all we have to go is go to stat, go to edit, right? And then we're in list 1 and list 2. So we're going to put all our x points on the list 1, 57.7, enter, 47.4, enter, 43.5. Great, alright, and then we can go to list 2 and put that part down. Alright, so we have all the information that we need. To find the least square regression line, we're going to have to click stat again, go to the next column, calculate, and we are going to use not number 4, because we're more used to now from the lectures on the form a plus bx, where b is our slope and a is our y-intercept, right? Press enter, and then press enter again. So you have your information now to find the equation of the line. So if it's y equals a plus bx, you know that a is 44.13 or 44.1, and b is 2.4253. So looking at your options here, b 2.42, so 2.4, 44.1a. So your answer is B. Now, if you were asked to find correlation also, I just want to make sure you guys know that if it doesn't give it to you, that means you have to turn diagnostic on. So you're going to have to go to catalog right here. Catalog, so I press yellow and 0. And scroll all the way down to letter D, diagnostic on, right? And then press enter again and it'll say done. So go back to stat, go back to the second column, and then go back again to number 8 and calculate all of that. And look, it gives us the information R. Some of you are going to run across that problem when you pick up a calculator in the testing center. You're going to find that it doesn't give you R and R squared. That means the diagnostic is off. So don't panic. Just remember how to do this and make sure make sure you remember. The other thing I want to show you is you can actually also draw a stat plot, right, to show what this looks like. And it's always a good idea if you want to just be sure you can trust these numbers, because you know you can only use R and R squared if your figure or if your data is linear. So go to stat plot, it's in yellow, so I press the yellow button again, y equals, and stay on number 1, press enter on that, and press on. Press enter on, make sure that's blinking, and you have all these options right here. Make sure you specify that you want a scatter plot, and that's that. And so your X list is going to be list 1 and your Y list is list 2. And once you have all of that, just press graph. If you just have this, don't panic. You did it right. You just got to change the zoom. So go to zoom, zoom stat, and there you go. Those are your points in the scatter plot. And that's how you use the calculator for all those things.